Hello students, in today's class we are continuing with binomial theorem. Okay, the next set of problems that you have is find the coefficient of x power minus 6 in the expansion of 3x minus 4 by x whole power 10. This is what you have to find. So first we will write the general term. Tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power r given expansion is 3x minus 4 by x whole power 10. General term Tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power r ten Cr 3x whole power 10 minus r to 4 by x whole power r. So this is what you have. The question is yes. So here you have, we have to take x coefficient. X coefficient should be equal to minus 6. So here this can written as minus 1 whole power r 10 Cr 3 power 10 minus r 4 power r x power 10 minus r to x power minus r. If this comes here, it will become minus r. So this is nothing but minus 1 whole power r 10 Cr 3 power 10 minus r 4 power r x power 10 minus 2r. We want it of x power minus 6. Equate 10 minus, consider 10 minus 2r is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 will come here. 10 plus 6 is equal to 2r. 16 is equal to 2r. R is equal to 16 by 2. R is equal to 8. Substitute r is equal to 8 in this. T8 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power 8 10 C8 3 into x whole power 10 minus 8 4 by x whole power 8. So this is nothing but 10 minus 1 whole power 8 is 1, 10 C8, 3 power 10 minus 8 is 3 square into 4 power 8, x power 2 into x power minus 8. So here you have 10 C8, 6 into 4 power 8, 6 into 4 power 8 into x power minus 6. Coefficient of, this is 3 square, that is 9, sorry, this is 9. Coefficient of x power minus 6 is 10 C8 into 9 into 4 power 8. This is the expansion. 10 C8 into 9 into 4 power 8 is the coefficient of x power minus 6. Let us discuss a similar kind of problem. Find the coefficient of x power 11 in the expansion of 2x square plus 3 by x cube whole power 13. We have to find the coefficient of x power 11 here. So what to do? Let us consider the general term first. Consider expansion. Two x square plus 3 by x cube whole power 13. Okay. TR plus 1 is equal to 13CR 2x square whole power 13 minus R 3 by x cube whole power R. So that is nothing but 13CR 2 power 13 minus R x power 26 minus 2R 3 power R x power minus 3R. So that is 13CR 2 power 13 minus R 3 power R x power 26 minus 5R. What we have to do? Consider 26 minus 5R is equal to 11. 26 minus 11 is equal to 5R. 26 minus 11 is what? 15 is equal to 5R. R is equal to 15 by 5. R is equal to 3. Substitute R is equal to 3 here. T3 plus 1 is equal to 13C3 2x square whole power 13 minus 3 3 by x cube whole power 3. So this is nothing but 13C3 2x square whole power 13 minus 3 is 10 3 by x 3 cube by x cube 3 3s are 9. So 13C3 2 power 10 into x power 20 into 3 power 3 into x power minus 9, that is 13C3 2 power 10 into 3 cube into x power minus 11. Coefficient of x power minus 11 is coefficient of x power minus 11 is 13C3 2 power 10 to 3 cube. This is what you have. 13C3 2 power 10 into 3 cube. That is the coefficient of x power 11 in the expansion of this. Let us discuss the next set of problems. Our next set of problems. In this problem we have to find term independent of x, that means x power should be 0. Let us take the general term. General term is tr plus 1 minus 1 whole power r 10cr root x by 3 whole power 10 minus r 4 by x square whole power r. Now minus 1 whole power r 10cr, take this root x aside, it will be 1 by 3 whole power 10 minus r 4 power r. Root x can be written as 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 into 10 minus r x power minus 2r. Now these terms will write as it is. 10 by 2 minus r means 5 minus r by 2 x power minus 2r. So if you add this, what you get? 5 minus r by 2 minus 2r. This is what you get. But for the independent term, the power of x should be 0. So we will equate this to 0. We get 10 minus r minus 4r is equal to 0. 10 minus 5r is equal to 0. 10 is equal to 5r, r is equal to 2. So if you put r is equal to 2 here, you get t2 plus 1 minus 1 whole square 10c2 1 by 3 whole power 10 minus 2 4 power 2 x power 0 10c2 1 by 3 whole power 8 into 4 power 2. This is what is the term independent of x. Let us discuss the next problem of similar kind. Four x cube plus 7 by x square whole power 14. You have to find the term independent of x here. So first of all we will write tr plus 1, that is equal to 14cr 4x cube whole power 14 minus r 7 by x square whole power r. So here you have 14cr 4 power 14 minus r 7 power r x power 42 minus 3r to x power minus 2r. So this is nothing but 14cr 4 power 14 minus r 7 power r x power 42 minus 5r. Consider 42 minus 5r is equal to 0. 42 is equal to 5r. R is equal to 42 by 5. R is not an integer. Since R is equal to 42 by 5 is not an integer, we have r is equal to 42 by 5 is not an integer. We have the coefficient of independent term in the given expansion is 0. So that's about this problem, children. Shall discuss some more problems. In our next set of problems, we are discussing what is the middle term. Here you are given the expansion 3x by 7 minus 2y whole power 10. So here, since the power is even, there will be only one middle term, that is 10 by 2 plus 1, that is sixth term. Now T6 sixth term in the expansion of this is 3x by 7 minus 2y whole power 10 is 10c5 3x by 10 whole power 10 minus 5 minus 2y whole power 5. 10c5, this minus will come over here, 3 by 7 whole power 5, 2 power 5, x power 5, y power 5. So here the term is minus 10c5, 3 2s are 6, 6 power 5 by 6 by 7 whole power 5, x power 5, y power 5. This is the middle term in the expansion of 3x by 7 minus 2y whole power 10. Let us see the next problem. 4a plus 3 by 2b whole power 11. Now here n is equal to 11, so it will have two middle terms. It will have two middle terms which are n plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 3 by 2. These are the two middle terms. So that is 11 plus 1 by 2 comma 11 plus 3 by 2, 12 by 2 comma 14 by 2, 6 comma 7. Sixth term and seventh term are the middle terms. T6 is equal to 11C5 4a whole power 11 minus 5 3 by 2b whole power 5. So that is 11C5 4a whole power 6 t by 2 b power 5. That is 11C5 4 power 6 3 by 2 whole power 5 a power 6 b power 5. T7 is equal to 11C6 4a whole power 11 minus 6 3 by 2b whole power 6. That is 11C6 4a whole power 5 3 by 2b whole power 6, which is 11C6 4 power 5 3 by 2 whole power 6 to a power 5 b power 6. So that is about the problem. This is sixth term and this is seventh term. Sixth term and seventh terms are the middle terms. These two are the middle terms. Okay, we can expand or we can leave it here. This can be left over here, or you can go for the expansion. So that's about today's problems, children. Remaining problems we will continue in the next session.